Fractals are fascinating mathematical objects that have captured the imagination of scientists, artists, and mathematicians alike. In this video, we will explore the world of fractals, their properties, and their applications. Fractals are complex geometric shapes that exhibit self-similarity at different scales. This means that if you zoom in on a fractal, you will see the same pattern repeated over and over again. Fractals are not limited to two-dimensional shapes, but can also be found in three-dimensional objects and even in time series data. One of the most famous fractals is the Mandelbrot set, discovered by Benoit Mandelbrot in 1975. The Mandelbrot set is a complex set of points in a complex plane that do not escape to infinity when iterated under a certain mathematical formula. The Mandelbrot set is a beautiful and intricate object that has inspired countless works of art and has led to many discoveries in mathematics and physics. Fractals have many interesting properties, such as infinite perimeter and finite area. This means that fractals can have an infinite amount of detail, but still occupy a finite amount of space. Fractals also exhibit a property called self-affinity, which means that they look the same at different scales. This property makes fractals useful in many applications, such as in the design of antennas, computer graphics, and the study of turbulence. Fractals have also been used to model natural phenomena, such as the branching patterns of trees, the shapes of clouds, and the structure of coastlines. Fractals have even been used to model the behavior of financial markets and the spread of diseases. In the next segment, we will explore the different types of fractals and their properties in more detail. In this segment, we will explore the different types of fractals and their properties in more detail. One type of fractal is the self-similar fractal, which is a fractal that looks the same at different scales. Examples of self-similar fractals include the Sierpinski triangle, the Koch snowflake, and the Cantor set. These fractals are generated by iteratively applying a set of rules to a simple geometric shape, such as a triangle or a line segment. Another type of fractal is the self-affine fractal, which is a fractal that looks similar at different scales, but not exactly the same. Examples of self-affine fractals include the Barnsley fern and the Mandelbrot set. These fractals are generated by applying a set of affine transformations to a simple geometric shape, such as a square or a circle. Fractals can also be classified based on their dimensionality. The dimension of a fractal is not necessarily an integer, but can be a fractional or even a complex number. For example, the Sierpinski triangle has a dimension of 1.585, while the Koch snowflake has a dimension of 1.2618. Fractals have many interesting properties that make them useful in a variety of applications. For example, fractals can be used to generate realistic terrain in computer graphics, to model the behavior of fluids in turbulence, and to analyze the structure of DNA molecules. In the next segment, we will explore some of the applications of fractals in more detail. In this segment, we will explore some of the applications of fractals in more detail. Fractals have many applications in computer graphics and animation. Fractal algorithms can be used to generate realistic terrain, clouds, and other natural phenomena. Fractals can also be used to create intricate patterns and designs, such as those found in Islamic art and architecture. Fractals have also been used to study the behavior of fluids in turbulence. The complex and chaotic nature of turbulence makes it difficult to model using traditional methods, but fractal analysis has proven to be a useful tool in understanding the structure of turbulent flows. Fractals have also been used in the study of DNA molecules. The structure of DNA can be modeled as a fractal, with each level of organization exhibiting self-similarity. Fractal analysis has been used to study the packing of DNA in chromosomes and to understand the mechanisms of DNA replication and transcription. Fractals have also been used in the study of financial markets. The behavior of financial markets is often characterized by complex and chaotic patterns, but fractal analysis has been used to identify underlying trends and patterns in market data. Fractal analysis has also been used to develop trading strategies and to predict market trends. Fractals have many other applications, such as in the design of antennas, the study of earthquakes, and the analysis of brain activity. Fractals have proven to be a powerful tool in understanding complex systems and phenomena. In the next segment, we will explore some of the challenges and limitations of fractal analysis. In this segment, we will explore some of the challenges and limitations of fractal analysis. One of the challenges of fractal analysis is that it can be computationally intensive. Fractal algorithms often require a large amount of computational resources, which can make them difficult to implement in real-time applications. Additionally, the accuracy of fractal analysis can be affected by the resolution and sampling rate of the data being analyzed. Another challenge of fractal analysis is that it can be difficult to interpret the results. Fractal analysis can provide a wealth of information about the structure and behavior of complex systems, but it can be difficult to translate this information into actionable insights. Additionally, the interpretation of fractal analysis results can be subjective and dependent on the context of the analysis. Fractal analysis also has some limitations in terms of the types of data that can be analyzed. Fractal analysis is most effective when applied to data that exhibit self-similarity or self-affinity, but not all data fits this criteria. Additionally, fractal analysis may not be effective in analyzing data that is highly irregular or chaotic. Despite these challenges and limitations, fractal analysis remains a powerful tool in understanding complex systems and phenomena. Fractal analysis has been used in a wide range of applications, from computer graphics and animation to the study of financial markets and DNA molecules. In the final segment, we will summarize the key points of this video and discuss the future of fractal analysis.